I'm Becca Chambers, and the purpose of See You Later CO2 was to test 6 solutions and build a filter that would effectively absorb carbon dioxide. I did this by putting dry ice in mason jar number 1, or I guess that one's number 1, and the dry ice with 5 milliliters of water was producing a gas that was bubbled into whatever solution I was testing. And then the gas that was left over from that could go into the second tube and go into the indicator, which was calcium hydroxide. And calcium hydroxide and carbon dioxide react to form calcium carbonate, which is basically a Tums without the sugar. And that was the substance I decided was most effective, even though ammonia and calcium hydroxide both had the same kind of rate of absorption. Ammonia and carbon dioxide produce some substances that aren't very environmentally friendly. I thought that the importance of this project was to reduce man's carbon footprint while there's not overwhelming data right now that says that carbon dioxide is causing global warming. It could just be a natural occurrence. There is always room to prevent future problems, and I think it's better to prevent early than after. I designed this filter, which you probably can't see right now, but I didn't actually make it because I don't have a ton of money. But I designed this filter that would be applied to an external exhaust vent so that the gas would go through the liquid, come out the other side, and trap whatever, or not really trap, but form carbon dioxide and calcium hydroxide on the inside, which would be calcium carbonate. I would improve this test by testing other chemicals that are in exhaust, like sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxides. And the visual measurings were kind of weird, as you can see in this picture. It's clear, in the second picture it's not, and that's kind of what I used to measure. I didn't have the tools to measure exactly how much calcium carbonate was being formed. But I do know that there was a change, and I know what that change is. So if I were to improve my experiment, I would do that.